In this video, I'm going to show you how to import an AutoCAD plan into SketchUp quickly and easily. If you want to turn a 2D CAD drawing into a 3D model, this process is a great place to start. Begin by opening SketchUp and clicking File in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Import and browse to the location of your AutoCAD drawing. Choose the DWG or DXF file you want to bring into SketchUp and click Open. SketchUp will then process the file and import all the drawing geometry into your workspace. Depending on the size and complexity of the plan, this may take a few moments. Once the import is complete, you'll see your AutoCAD plan inside SketchUp, ready for editing and 3D modeling. From here, you can start creating walls, adding details, and building your design in 3 dimensions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more SketchUp and AutoCAD tutorials.